Today we talk about how can you select location on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do to change or select your location, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Then you click here on settings here, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on phone location, you just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here, and here can you change or add your location in this list. When you select it, just click here on completed here, then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.